What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your RTBL4 folding DJ table. It comes with the table itself, along with a cover to protect it as you're bringing it from gig to gig. It also has a cutaway for the handle for the table so you can carry the table by the handle. And there's also two straps on the back to carry it on your shoulder. So to start assembling your table, you're going to lift up the legs like so. Then you can use these pins to lock your legs in place by running it through the holes here. You'll just want to make sure that the brace of the legs here are pushed all the way down so that you can easily push the pins through these holes. You can also adjust the height of the table by using these latches here. So you can pull on the latches like so, and then you can just extend the legs to a desired height. And once you find the height, you can let go of the latch. And from here, you might have to adjust a little further until you hear a clicking sound. Once you hear that click, you'll know your leg is secure. You'll want to do the same exact thing for all of the other legs, and make sure that they're all even to each other so that your table is level. You can extend the height of the table anywhere from 26 to 39.5 inches. From there you can place any equipment on top of the table, and you can even use the hole in the middle of the table to run your wires or cables for a nice organized look. The table itself can hold up to 180 pounds. You can then place your DJ facade right in front of the table to finish your DJ setup. And after you're all done, you can break down your table by reversing these steps, placing the table inside of the bag, and then head off to your next gig or event. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your RTBL4 folding DJ table. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.